Oh, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're back with another video. I'm back with Chase again. What's up, Chase?
Hi.
Hi. Yes. No, don't press the button. No, don't press it. Don't press it. It's bad. Why'd you press it? Read can make it. There's only two of us, so.
This is.
Hi. Yeah.
I thought I wasn't good up. Ow! I made it farther than you, though.
Man, you're not Skigma.
Oh,
Man, pipe down. You're so weird. What?
Bro, it wasn't.
What?
The viewers, the people watching,
we're not playing. It's just bots playing. We're not playing right now.
We are definitely.
Oh, it's a conveying thingy. No.
I made it.
You're weird. No.
I'm the only one who made it.
Man, I'm falling off as soon as it does it. Here.
Yeah, I did.
No, let me press it. Let me press it. Oh man.
What is that? Why is it giving us all the hard ones?
It's actually these are Sonic rings, not earrings.
They look like donut rings.
Why?
Wait, no, I don't remember the name, but they look like rings.
Sonic rings.
No, they look like chicken rings.
I won. Pipe
We
down.
both won.
No. Okay, so stop pressing the button.
Bounce are fine. Good. Push them away.
Get that one. How do you push them? What?
You have to click.
Oh.
Why am I the only one surviving here?
Oh yeah, you can do that.
You're leaving me behind on this?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, but this time we have to do an outro.
Why? I'm still recording. What do you mean we have to do an outro? We're like almost 3 minutes in.
I won! Hi, suck.
Man, you look like a mutt.
I didn't. Oh, not again! Okay, we're doing this again.
Why are we doing this again? Like, come on.
No.
Come on. I'm going
Okay,
in
we're
first.
going to.
I can't even.
To different worlds.
I can't even go in first person. It just blocks. Like, what the shit?
Okay, so people who is watching, this is very hard.
How? How is it hard? This is easy.
Very hard for me.
Yeah. Okay, we both won.
What was that?
It's a banana. So a banana. Oh my god! No.
I feel safe.
Yeah. It's a banana. Next to a banana. I broke
What
his
is he
ankle.
saying?
Get back to blue.
Oh!
He imploded.
What's happening?
What? If I stay on the edge, I'll be perfectly safe. Hee hee.
I'm surviving. I'm a survivor.
I'm still surviving.
I'm still standing after all this time. I feel like a true survivor.
That's not how you sing it. It's like this. I'm still standing better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor. Living like a little kid. Yeah. What? Oh. Get K.
There's so many keys in here.
Please. It didn't work.
Keep trying.
You keep trying.
There's so many keys.
Oh my god. Key.
How do anybody do this? Like, I'm guessing the one on the floor.
Mm.
No.
Nah. Ooh, keys. But we barely have enough time. We barely have time. Ah.
We're gonna fail this.
No. No. The right key wasn't found in time. Shut up, key or thingy. Why'd you click it? Why I never clicked it.
oh, I'm hiding behind you.
Okay. Fidget spinny. I love fidget spinnies.
I did it. You know, you can press it.
I don't.
Let's go trick-or-treating, guys.
Sue.
Why do I have a wizard's hat and you have a princess hat?
Oh my god.
Yes. Yes.
No. No. I clicked no. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Smell one feet.
Oh my god. Give me something good to eat.
I got big candy.
I still have the. Oh my god.
I have big hat.
It's gonna. Is it gonna fit? Barely.
It's gonna spawn, right?
Oh yeah. No, I can never click the button. Get the most spheres into your team's whole.
I don't got any spears. You got all the spears.
Oh, it's going.
Oh, I didn't know that we had. Bro, get your own spear.
I am.
Mine didn't make it in. I didn't make the cut. Bro, can I just like pop a balloon in there? That would count. Can I wait?
No, it's going.
If you fall into your hole, it gives you a point.
Ooh, bet. Let me try that. Definitely. No, I'm not dying.
It doesn't kill you. It kills me.
Oh, then kill yourself. What?
Oh, I did it!
Hey.
Looks like I'm kind of winning.
No, you're not. We're tied.
Sure.
Yes. Not anymore. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, we still are.
Yeah, I'm taking this one.
Okay.
Wait, what if we tie? I want to tie.
No. Wow.
Let's tie, buddy.
No. Yeah! I won last second. Oh my god.
Why is our head still so big?
I don't have a head.
Oh, well. Why is your hat? Oh, no.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my. No.
Oh my god. That was so hard.
Stop clicking the button. Let me click it for once. Ooh. Hi, lasers. Ah. Hi, lasers.
Did you start recording?
No.
Oh.
I'm still waiting. I'm joking, guys. Yes, I clicked it. But yeah, I'm recording. Score a goal with the soccer ball. It's so confusing. Yeah. Wait, what? Why did you score? Ew. Click it. Oh my god.
You clicked it.
I can't even hear it.
Satisfying.
Oh, there it is. Oh my god, this feels so good. Even though I don't feel anything.
This is so satisfying.
I'm gonna draw my name. Hey, stop ruining it! No!
I I wrote a C. Oh.
I can't even draw a K because you drew over my K.
Jump the kid.
Why? Why?
No, I don't. No. Not really. You're gonna give me Robux, please? No. Kaylin.
You're so weird.
Free admin on me, please. Yeah. You know, I'm just taking it up here.
You don't even have Robux.
Give me Robux, please.
Oh. Man, frick.
2, 1. Yes, I don't have a big head.
No, I'm good.
What does he come with us? Time left. Oh wait, red light, green light.
No!
I like how we both died at the exact same time.
Yeah. Yes, it's my time to shine.
Unfortunately, no.
Yeah. We're in 5th grade. That's like kindergarten. Free admin on my gimme. He's probably a kidnapper.
Oh no, not
He's
this.
still here.
Why is
No.
he
No.
here?
If he dies, we die.
Goodbye.
No, noob,
How
no.
is he here? Oh wait, he's better.
Oh my god. If he wins,
Wait, we can just follow him.
oh my god. No, noob, no. Bro, the noob is him. The noob is, oh, never mind. He died. Just like me. I'm part noob.
Yeah, you're part noob, alright.
Oh, that's a W Rose full box. Wait, no, no! Ah!
No. Yes.
Oh man, I couldn't jump off. What the sick? I clicked it. Get ready to push people off of your table.
What the heck? I'm so confused.
Ah!
I flipped it.
Oh my god! Yeah! Alright, that's a GG.
I will not. Ow.
Huh, where are the lasers? Ah! I can't see the lasers, bro. Where are the What the heck? Ooh, click. No. I still have the same freaking hat.
Let's go trick or treating.
No.
Kaylin.
No.
Come on. No, wait. We can trade hats.
Oh my god, bro. It's a ghost. It's a ghost.
What? Oh. Wait, what? What ghost can do? Oh, it's weak.
How did... Hey, I'm still here. I'm still surviving. Gear shop. Stop hitting yourself. I'll buy that. I don't have it, but I don't care. I guess I don't even care anymore.
I got my wizard hat.
You are not Harry Potter. Where are they? I can't even see them.
I can see them, alright.
Why is this so...
Oh my god, you're right beside me.
Yeah, what's up? If I win, you actually suck.
Hi. Wait, my name came first.
You're an idiot, bro. I mean, you're not wrong. Pizza. Cake.
I knew that would happen.
I still have it, little bro. Ah. Choose the parkour. This is no.
This is stupid.
I'm skipping this part. 4,
I
3,
only got 10 coins.
2. I have 130.
I need 3 coins.
Eleva's hiding somewhere in the bushes. In the bushes?
Bro, then
Why is the timer going off? We're in a cutscene.
I'm gonna open it. We have to do parkour.
Bro,
I hate parkour.
why do we keep doing parkour? Oh my god, this animation pack.
Yes!
Robux. Don't push me off.
I got out of the temple.
No.
You got stuck in the temple forever.
Oh man. Ooh. Magic.
Bro, your money is decreasing me. They don't regenerate.
No! I stand still for less than a second and I fall. What the? Yes, it's my time. I'm joking. You can press it. Oh heck no!
Oh yeah, get you. You know you can go without Kaylin.
No, I'm good. Now, I'm gonna go invisible. He's still looking. Slap. I'm invisible and he could still see me.
You're just so noticeable.
How? He can see a rainbow. He hates rainbows. I agree.
No! We can't cheat this time. Well, I can't cheat this time. I am glitching.
After this, we're gonna stop here. So, we're probably gonna be done. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. So, bye. Hey!